my god. Undertale animation has reached 5 Nights at Freddy's animation level. Pictures in MS Paint. Here we go! Oh boy!
Oh boy!
Undertale Minecraft roleplay! I'm so excited!
Papyrus, first maybe you should explain.
Then why?
Oh, their name is Frisk now! Are they trying to make themselves sound like an anime character? What are you doing here?
You're the enemy of everyone's hopes and dreams.
Metatime.
Who is that man in the front? Is that Shrek?
Wait. Ready?
Oh, that's the Why would they pick the janitor? Out of all the wacky Undertale characters, let's pick the janitor! Oh boy!
Oh boy!
The
humans arrive!
Alright, I don't usually do this in the middle of a video, but let's have a little chat break. I have a question for you guys. When Toby Fox spent all those grueling hours making this amazing game, Undertale's an amazing game if you haven't played it, you know? Like, you can take it from me. It's pretty good. But do you think when Toby Fox was making this game, he knew this would happen? This right here? This right here on the screen? Did he know that this would happen? Because I don't think anyone could have predicted this. Oh. Oh.
Wait.
Oh. Oh!
Look at
Stands back up or I'm gonna give you the gaster blaster. Back up. Okay.
Dude, you better get back and give me the gaster blaster.
Papyrus! Look, I got a
Papyrus, I found this bottle. I'm gonna shove it up my butthole.
Knock, knock! And suddenly, from the other side, I hear a woman's voice. Who's there? So naturally, I respond, dishes. Dishes who? Dishes a very bad joke. And